which is the date column, and I can sort from A to Z or Z to A. So I choose A to Z. So basically it means lowest to highest. So because it looks at the dates, it'll sort from the lowest, which is the most oldest date, to the highest number date, which is the most recent date. So I just choose that one, click A to Z, and I have my orders sorted from most recent, which is 3rd of December, and then the 4th of December ones are after. Okay, so that's what I've done. Next thing is to check. So the next step is um, to check the orders or check that there's no problems, and we have to decide whether they're ready to purchase now or are they ready to purchase but they're higher priority because the stock's running out or there's a sale that might end, or we know that this listing's prone to frequent price changes. Um, but for now, we'll set the status to not yet purchased for all of them. So I'll just copy an existing cell with not yet purchased status, and I'll paste it down to here. Control V, done. And then the next step is to check all the orders.